Pauses, use them sparingly. Pauses are like money or gold. Use them too much and they become devalued and lose their effect. Good actors will plan their pauses to be used at the most effective times, not just to bring attention to themselves. Why you do not speak is just as important and interesting as why you do, but it must be done for a very good acting reason. Try to see where a pause could be replaced with a piece of business that can run together with the dialogue, for the audience will think the pause is the end of a speech, and will start to look to see who is to speak next. Worst of all, they might think you have forgotten your lines. And if you are going to pause, make sure that something is happening in it, that it is an active pause, and not just a time when everything stops. When rehearsing a stage play, I will always do a run at which I ask the actors to cut out every pause, so that all we will hear out front is continuous talking. Even if it makes a nonsense of the script, someone has to exit before a line is spoken, they must do it for this rehearsal. Once launched into this, an extraordinary thing happens. A lot of the pauses that we all thought were necessary are not. At the end, I tell the actors that they can only get back a pause if they can make a good case for it, and many moments happen where, with business combined with text, the whole thing takes off wonderfully. Always check with your fellow actors about what you are doing, for what to you is a nice pause, can be the very thing that kills your fellow actor's moment. If everyone pauses, the play as a whole can fail to hang together. At the very least, warn your fellow actors where you will be pausing, so they can plan for it. Good writers, such as Shakespeare and Pinter, tell you exactly where the pauses are, so you will have no need to add any more. A good pause, well earned, should be full of audience expectation, not just an actor's internal indulgence.